The war in the Ukraine. We are all troubled by that. The whole world is watching and has no clue what to do to help these people. Thousands and thousands of people have fled their country to seek safety. Um, they have fled to neighbor countries. So they also reached Poland and also Germany. I mean, the refugees. This evening I received a phone call from my boss from KIT Torgau, Oschatz, with the request if I, as many other Kitlers, see the time to help out, because these refugees from the Ukraine will reach Germany next week. I believe the first buses will come in the 7th. Of course, I help out, so I signed up for the period between the 12th in the evening until the 22nd in the morning to help out in Leipzig and support the refugees from the Ukraine psychologically and physically. Physically, I mean clothing and helping out if people have wounds or that they need food, that they need a cushion or a blanket, their kids, they need somebody or people to feel good, that they feel safe, etc., etc. So this means that I, as an emergency counselor from KIT Torgau, Oschatz, will also be there. And I'm sorry to say so, but this is a little bit more important than any comments on social media, meaning that my responses will find a huge delay on social media, email, and all electronic communication. It will find a huge delay, perhaps days. I have yet not received the exact dates. I will have only night shifts, but when I receive the exact dates, I will let you know, so that you do not think that I'm ignoring you. I'm simply not behind my laptop. I'm helping out, like I said, with many other Kitlers and first responders to bring these people into safety, that they are, get the attention that they need in that moment for each person personally. Uh, let's hope that these people from the Ukraine uh, are not traumatized that much, meaning that they will overcome it soon, that they are not have scars for the rest of their lives.